Namaskar dear students, prayers to Ma Sharda. This is very auspicious day as reconstruction of Lord Sri Ram temple begun today with grace of Almighty and PM Narendra Modi ji laid the foundation. So prayers for well-being of the world, because Lord Ram is known for compassion. So prayers for all. So second lesson, electrostatic potential and capacitance exercise. A capacitor of capacitance 600 picofarad is charged with supply voltage 200 volt. Then supply is disconnected and another capacitor of 600 picofarad is connected. Calculate the lost energy. Okay. So here we derived the formula yesterday, which is not derived in your textbook, but it is being used in many reference books. So we will use that formula also, and if you do not want to use that formula, we will solve the problem by another method. Okay. Here C1 equals to 600 picofarad. Pico means 10 raised to minus 12 equals to C2. V1 is 200 volt and V2 is, it is not charged. Okay. Another capacitor of 600 picofarad. Okay. It is not charged, otherwise they must have given. Okay. So 0 volt. Now see, energy. What will happen that due to first capacitor, the second capacitor will be charged. During that process, the electron will travel through the conducting wire and electrons will collide with the ions. So some energy will be dissipated in form of heat and some will be in form of electromagnetic waves. So in short, energy will be lost. The lost energy has formula delta U equals to C1 C2 in bracket V1 minus V2 whole square upon 2 into C1 plus C2. So putting the values, okay, C1 is 600 into 10 raised to minus 12, C2 is also 600 into 10 raised to minus 12, V1 is 200, V2 is 0, 2, again C1 and C2. Okay, now see here, 6, 6 and 36. These two power I add here, then 10 raised to minus 10. Similarly here, so minus 10 minus 10, so 10 raised to minus 20. 2 square, that is 4, into 10 square square, that is 10 raised to 4. 2. Now this is 6 into 10 raised to minus 10. This also is 6 into 10 raised to minus 10. So 12 into 10 raised to minus 10. Okay. Now it is simple. Say 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 36 by 6, 6. Now say this minus 10 I have to add here in power. 4 minus minus 10, that is 14 minus 20, so 10 raised to minus 6 joule, that is the energy lost. So another method, okay, let us find initial energy of this capacitor, that is half C1 V1 square initial energy, that is half C1 is 600 into 10 raised to minus 12, V1 is 200 square. So it will be, see here, this 2 square, that is 4, 4 divided by 2, that is 2, 2 into 6, that is 12, 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to minus 12, so 10 raised to minus 6 joule. That is initial energy. Now what will happen that when we disconnect the supply and we connect another capacitor in parallel, okay, and of equal value, what will happen? Half of the charge of first capacitor will be transferred to another capacitor. So both will have charge equals to Q1 by 2. We have to find out Q1. So we know that C1 equals to Q1 by V1. So Q1 equals to C1 V1, which is 600 into 10 raised to minus 12 into 200. 6 2s are 12. This 10 square and 10 square will be added here, so it is 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb. That was the charge of the first capacitor, that will be divided into equal parts. So each capacitor will now have charge of 6 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb. Okay. Now final energy for this it is Q1 dash square by 2C1. For this it is Q2 dash square by 2C2. We don't have the common voltage now. We don't need to find it. Okay, otherwise you can find it, but we can use this formula. Now see, all these have same values, so we can write 2 times q1 dash square upon 2c1, because c1 equals to c2 and q1 dash equals to q2 dash, so we can write twice q1 dash square upon 2c1. So that will be equal to 2 cancels q1 dash square, that is 36 into 10 raised to minus 6, and c1 we know 600 into 10 raised to minus 12. So 36 by 6, that is 6. We know that this 2 power we have to add here, so 10 raised to minus 10. Then it will be go up, so minus 16 plus 10, so minus 6 joule. This is final energy of 2 capacitors. Now we are asked energy lost. So that will be equal to initial energy minus final energy. Initial energy was 12 into 10 raised to minus 6 minus 6 into 10 raised to minus 6. So answer is 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 joule. Okay, take a screenshot.